Good morning, parents. It's a pleasure to have your presence in the orientation program for this academic year. I warmly welcome you all and thank you for joining us. At the onset, very briefly, let me define the objective of this program. That is, to outline the effectiveness of the primary section, understand the schedule of activities and programs, the exam pattern, and preparedness of online classes. Before I take this further, I would request you all to let me have the opportunity to introduce an exemplary leader, Mrs. Manisha Andansare, the principal of St. Xavier's High School and Junior College, Nerul. We are fortunate to have a focused visionary and a mentor like her as our role model and inspirer. An incredible decision maker, she has been extending support and appreciation to motivate 300 staff to work efficiently, ensuring and encouraging the learning and development of 6,000 students. Her commitment to the well-being of the school is invaluable and truly makes a difference. During this pandemic period, where schools were shut down, her faith in the staff made the online teaching learning methodology a success. Now, I take you through the activities and program for this academic year. Xavier's owns a huge auditorium and we conduct the assembly in the school auditorium. The assembly helps to develop core values, confidence, and interest in extracurricular activities. It ensures the learning of social discipline and the power of unity. To develop these qualities, we train our children to organize and conduct the school assembly. Make best from waste. Special care is taken to teach the students optimum utilization of resources or develop a hobby, and it's done through the work experience activity. We teach our children different activities to develop their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, which enhances their creativity. The organization of food activity is done in the classroom where the food items are prepared by the children. This activity encourages the child to eat healthy food. Our St. Xavier's School is always ahead in creative and innovative ideas as we have our own special way of celebrating students' birthday. We at Xavier's encourage the birthday boy or girl to bring a storybook of their choice instead of sweets to the school. Our principal ma'am, Mrs. Manisha Andansare, signs these books and greets the birthday child with warm wishes and blessings. Thereby, the children have their own class library which also boosts the reading and communication skill of the child. Nature is man's best friend and creates memories. So, not restricting their experiences to the classrooms, children are also exposed to the feel of nature by celebrating days like rainy day. Rainy days are always fun time for the kids. Moreover, it makes the school environment light and mesmerizing. To celebrate the first showers of monsoon, the children are taken on the turf to get and feel the nature rain. Learning national and state language develops a sense of belonging and patriotism in the minds of the children. Hence, these events are celebrated as the students learn to respect the nation and love for their state. Science Day is also celebrated as it helps to develop scientific aptitude in the tender minds. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens. Responsible citizens create a responsible country. So, to develop democratic values amongst the students and have a first-hand experience of election procedure, student council elections are held in school. This also helps to develop decision-making power in our children. Sports Day and Annual Day are celebrated with lot of enthusiasm. This encourages sportsman spirit amongst the student. The students take part in various cultural activities which are displayed during Annual Day celebration. National festivals such as Independence Day and Republic Day are celebrated every year, which develop a sense of patriotism among students. Apart from this, we also mark Children's Day, Martyrs' Day, and celebrate the birth and death anniversaries of great leaders. Amenities are set up to create a safe and secure atmosphere for the teaching learning process. The school premises is under the CCTV surveillances, thereby ensuring the safety and security of students, staff, and the property of school. The school has special in-house medical room with trained nurse to give first aid to the children in the time of need. Abiding by the norms of the government, the school building is well equipped with the firefighting devices and machinery. Mock drills are conducted at regular intervals for the staff and students. Xavier's has a cafeteria, but at the primary level, we insist our children to bring homemade food. Keeping up with the latest trend, the school has two huge turfs which is utilized by the students to the maximum extent. Our school strongly believes in the proverb, healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Keeping this in mind, St. Xavier's has a well-equipped gym for the staff and sports students. Keeping health of the students and staff in mind, the school has installed huge water filtration plant which supplies purified water to entire school. Xavier's is an eco-friendly school and has installed solar panel by Tata Power. Special AC classrooms are provided to high school students to enhance their concentration. Well-equipped computer lab, science lab and library add to the amenities of the school and ensures quality education to the children. The school has e-learning system which makes teaching and learning more interesting and effective. Xavier's has its own fleet of buses run by its drivers. It also has male and lady conductors who are permanent employees to ensure safety and security of the children during the travel to and fro the school. We follow all the rules and regulations laid down by the Maharashtra Motor Vehicle Act. School buses are equipped with GPS, CCTV cameras, first aid, fire extinguishers, etc. Hence, we encourage our parents to use the school-owned buses only for commuting their children to school. To reduce the burden of school bags, notebooks are replaced by worksheets prepared by well-trained staff. We at Xavier's follow the exam pattern prescribed by the government of Maharashtra. It's time to declare arrival and dispersal time for the primary section. The morning shift starts at 7:10 am sharp till 12 noon, whereas the afternoon shift starts at 1 pm sharp till 5:45 pm. In the current scenario of lockdown, the schools are closed. Hence, we introduce you to the Xavier's learning videos. Points to remember. Learning videos will be sent online through WhatsApp. All students should watch and listen to the video regularly. Students should be made to sit where there is proper network. The mobile should be kept at proper distance. Students should have good quality earphone or headphone. Be alert and fresh while watching the videos. Maintain a notebook for home assignments and submit the same after the school reopens. Students should complete the homework given on the WhatsApp group. Parents should not disturb the child when learning videos are going on. Neat and clean uniform play a major role in the progress of the child. Kindly send your child in complete neat uniform to school. School ID card is a must every day. Black shoes and navy blue socks are a part of the school uniform. With regard to haircut, boys, school does not encourage stylish hairstyles. Army cut should be maintained. For girls, black hairband for short hair and 2 plaits for long hair. No accessories are allowed. PT uniform consists of t-shirt and track pant with black canvas shoes for boys and girls. It should be worn on every Wednesday. Parents, please make a note about the books to be carried to school. Calendar to be sent daily to school. along with English Bal Bharati textbook, rough books, square line and single line. Drawing book also should be sent to the school. List of books to be purchased for Standard 1 students. First is English Bal Bharati textbook, followed by 2 square line notebook of 200 pages each, then 2 single line notebook of 200 pages each, 1 scrapbook, drawing book of A4 size. Please note all books to be covered and labeled properly. The school has its own bus facility. Apply well in advance to avail bus facility. Bus fees is to be paid term-wise. If your child does not board the bus or you fail to pick up your child, do not panic, just contact school. The phone number is 022 277 07519. With regard to oral exams of Standard 1, in English, reading, recitation and dictation test is held, whereas in maths, recitation and mental maths, and in EVS, recitation, scrapbook and practical book. Home activity sheet should be completed by students under the supervision of parents and should be submitted on the given date. Class test and self-study will be conducted in class based on the portion as per further instruction of the Government of Maharashtra Education Department. With regard to graded subjects, semester exams will be held. For Marathi and Hindi, oral examinations will be held. Work experience, recitation and practical exams will be conducted, and for general knowledge, recitation and objectives. Make an important note, parents. Maintain separate files for each subject: English, Maths, EVS, Work Experience, General Knowledge, Hindi and Marathi. No absenteeism during exams, orals and class test, as no retest will be conducted. Note: exam schedule will be declared after the instructions from the government. Send writing pad during exams. Exams will be conducted as per syllabus and as per the portion. No half days during exams. If your ward, he or she is sick, send medical certificate for the same. Special instructions for parents. Train your child to write complete name, address and phone number. Parents are requested to notify the teacher in writing in case of change in address, mobile number and pickup facility. Child will not be handed over to any unauthorized person. Encourage them to speak in English. Check your child's calendar daily. Teacher's remark to be noted and signed whenever given. Send healthy meal in tiffin box. No junk food allowed. Latecomers to school will not be entertained. Parents are not allowed to meet the teachers during the class hours. Enquire about your child's progress at least once in a month on Saturdays from 11 am to 12 noon with prior appointment. Pay the school fees on time to avoid last moment inconvenience. Any health related issues to be informed to the class teacher immediately and recorded in the calendar. Wish you all the best for the coming session. Thank you and have a good day.